Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a large mixing bowl and put in 250 grams of cream cheese. Make sure it's nice and soft. Leave it out of the fridge for half an hour. Then add half a cup of sugar, caster sugar, white sugar or extra fine sugar. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Just beat this until it's smooth. Now get half a cup of thickened cream. Just add some of that in. And now mix this in. And as it's mixing, just add a little more. And just pour the whole thing in. Now grate some Toblerone. This is optional. Pour all that in. It's about 25 to 30 grams. Just mix it through on low. Now get some vanilla ice cream. Make sure it's nice and soft. Now you can make your own, but I want to make this as simple as possible for those who don't have an ice cream churner. And just add about 1 litre. Just mix this in on low. Just get a container that's got a lid and pour the mixture straight in there. So all you do is put the lid on, put that in the freezer for about 4 to 5 hours or overnight, and then you're ready to eat it.